Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back again with another tutorial on this smoky winged eyeliner look, and I created this look without any brush. Yes, you heard it right. You don't need any brush to create this look. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna take a tape and apply it on the border of my eyes because I'm gonna smoke out my liner and it would give me a clean effect. First, I'm taking this Plum Nature Studio Kajal and apply it as an eyeliner on my eyelid. No need to be very precise because we're gonna smudge it next. Next, I'm taking this Q-tip or an earbud, whatever you call it, and smudge my eyeliner with the help of this thing. Since we're going for a smoky eyeliner look, we have to smudge it out, and while smudging it out, I started losing on the pigmentation, so I'm just applying this again. Just filling in the gaps. While applying this, I'm trying to make sure that I don't go too heavy towards my edges because I don't want to look it sharp and bold. I want to make it look smudged and smoky. Okay, here I tried to remove that pink tape and realized that it left a pink stain on my border, so I had to remove it, and that erased my eyeliner too, so I'm just redoing it once again. Now I'm taking this brown color from the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette and start smudging out the edges of my black liner. You can use any brown shade that you have. I'm doing this very light handed because I don't want it to leave a patch on my lid, and that is very difficult to blend and doesn't look nice. Okay, so this process of smudging lightened my black eyeliner, so I'm just applying it again and smoking out the edges once again. Now I'm removing this tape and see how clean it looks. Now here what I'm doing is I'm taking that brown shade on the Q-tip and apply it on the outer corner and take it towards my crease, very light handed. It intensifies the whole eye look. I like to apply Kajal on my upper lash line so that there's no gap visible between my lashes and my lash line. Next, I'm applying the same Kajal on my waterline and start smudging it out with the Q-tip. Have you ever thought that this Q-tip can be this useful? Next, I'm smudging my Kajal with that brown shade to give it a smoky effect. To complete the look, I'm applying several coats of NYX Worthy Hype mascara on my eyelashes. And my natural lashes, God knows, is very thin and looks like straight, so I have to work very hard on my lashes if I'm not wearing falsies. You can absolutely stop at this step and highlight your inner corner if you don't want to wear any falsies. I'm definitely gonna wear one because I'm already wearing it on my left eye. And with this, we have completed this look. See how beautiful it looks with very little efforts. So for those who don't prefer heavy eye makeup or want a twist in their eyeliner, they can definitely go for this option. Or you can make it look colorful by using any other color in place of brown. So with this, we have come to an end of this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if this video was useful to you, please do not forget to like, share and comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye.